Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you are looking for the most unique, elegant, and everyday ceramic coffee mugs, take a look at these by LINVIA. I really like these ones because I can put them in my dishwasher. I also can nuke them in the microwave. They're great for sipping out of without spilling on my chin as well, which is definitely a problem for me. I really like leaving them at my coffee bar because they get a lot of use. I can heat them up. I can definitely steam this milk in it and it can handle it. It has fantastic heat retention. I can pour my espressos directly in the cup, and this is great for a family. We are a family of four, and that's perfect with these 12-ounce four mugs here for us. And each one has its own gorgeous design, this textured decal. It's kind of indented inwards. There's a butterfly, grass, ivy, and leaf, and that way we don't get confused as to which cup we're drinking out of. The bottom as well has a nice grip to it. It's textured, so it doesn't go sliding on the countertop, even if it accidentally gets wet. These are really nice to use every day because they're chip resistant. They're beautifully designed, great for entertaining, and we have enjoyed them.
I love these, but that's just my point of view.